Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings as you see and you will enter. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about ChatGPT and you will click. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ChatGPT and you will click here. You will search about ChatGPT app and you will click. And then here, if you find update, you will update your app. So please don't